How to unbox your Brompton ACP or T, including electric models. Upon opening the box, for non-electric models you will find the kitting box. For electric models you will find the kitting box, the battery in its bag, and the saddle with pentaclip. Put these aside, then lift and remove the inner tray. Carefully lift and remove the bike from the box. Open the mainframe hinge clamp. Unfold the handlebar support and remove the handlebar bag. Then, with the handlebar unfolded, tighten the handlebar hinge clamp. Please note, T-line models are supplied with the self-aligning hinge clamps, and it's important they're tightened correctly. Please use the link in the description for detailed instructions on how to do so. Fit the saddle, tightening in place using the 5mm hex key provided. For detailed instructions on how to correctly install your saddle, click the link in the description. Only on A-line models, the non-drive side pedal needs to be installed on the cranks. Please check the link in the description for detailed instructions on how to do so. Improper installation could damage your crankset. You can now unfold your Brompton. For detailed steps on how to do so, click the link in the description. For electric models, fit the battery until it clicks into place. Please follow the link in the description to understand how the electric system works and how to charge your battery. How to unbox your Brompton G Line. Please follow the link in the description for a detailed step-by-step guide on how to unbox and set up your G Line and electric G Line.